Working on the old Dell. Gonna reapply thermal paste to it. It's definitely overdue for it. And see if it runs better. Had to mod this one a little bit. It was overheating pretty bad with the 1050 Ti in there. But you know, shoot, she games pretty good. So I got this set up. Both of these push air in. So I took the media drive out, which is why there's tape right there, just to kind of cover that to keep the air in. Got these two intake in the front, and this is right next to the GPU, pulling all that hot air out. The GPU probably runs around 130 under like full load, which isn't too bad considering that this case just has no airflow. Alright, so before we get to that, to do the thermal paste, I'm just going to unplug it. And I might have to take the GPU out on this, just because, like I said, there's no room in here. Yep, dust screens. Not the best custom job, but hey, it was free to do this, and it works great. Because it was hitting 180 in here. There's my 1050. And then just recently one of my RAMs died. I was at 16 gigabytes down to 12 for now. So to get this out, let me see if I get my light in there. The headlamp, this little slider lock right here. You have to take GPU out though, because it's butted up right against it. And then take this out the way. So I'm going to take the SATA cable. I'll take that out. SATA power. Take that out the way. GPU. I'm going to need to pause it because I need two hands for this. I got to get to this tab. Get that light in there. Get that tab back. Left out. Just the best method with this setup. Tight space. Alright, pull the GPU out. Now we can just adjust this up, out. Got the cable stuck in here. I was tucking that out the way. And there's the SSD upgrade on there. But yeah, I'm short a RAM stick now. I'm sad. Alright, then all you gotta do is take these 4 screws right here. There's one under there. One right there. Take out your fan connector. Take off those, lift this out, clean it all up. Magnetic tip screwdriver works the best. And we're just going to take these 4 right on out. Which they stay attached to the heatsink. So you don't have to worry about them falling out everywhere. My puppy, many years ago, chewed on this screwdriver. She passed away a few years ago. She got a hold on me. I keep the screwdriver as a reminder. I'm probably going to use rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip to clean it up. I don't have pretty much anything else. I just got into computers myself, so I don't have all the tools I need yet. So we'll untuck those wires from there, which I broke my USB 3.0, so that little plastic tab right there. I'll take this intruder alarm off, or we'll probably get that wire out of the way. See, look, there's barely any even on there anymore. She's a bit old. So yeah, we're just going to take rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip, clean it off, clean it up, and then we'll reapply the paste. Alright, got it all nice and cleaned up. I'm going to reapply the paste and drop her back in. We're going to be using some MX5. Everybody has their own techniques. I'm going to do my own. There's a little bit more than I wanted to put on there, but if any comes out the sides, I'll clean it up. Alright. Now the fun part. Put this back in without smearing it everywhere. Almost lost y'all. Get you. Alright, plug our CPU fan back in, most importantly. I don't see any run out. That should be good. Hard drive. That's in, that's still plugged in. SATA cable. Show power. sure everything's plugged in. All good contact. Extra wire out of the way. Alright, looks good to me. Get that tucked. Oh no! Make sure that fan connector was in. I had that happen with the first one I bought. Fan connector was bad on it. They replaced it. I plug it back in and hope it don't pop anything. Alright, nothing crazy happened. So I went from a high of 160 down to 120. Not bad.